walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care cause I
Pagpasok ni Chan, bagong-bango na naman siya dito sa ating caravan. Masarap ang pinitong na. Kinakagabi hindi ko kayo nasama kasi nalobat na tayo. Ano ba? Jumpers.
We wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. Hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. You and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
Good morning guys! Today is Thursday. Paalis na tayo. June 30. Dinala ko na kayo dito kasi hindi nyo nakita yung bathroom. So bago ka makapasok sa bathroom, may code na ayan. Okay. So ito yung itsura ng bathroom. Makita nyo man lang bago tayo umalis. Ito yung shower room. Yan. Mayroong 3 shower. 1, 2, 3. And ito yung toilets. Ayan. So, wala lang. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo. So, for sharing itong bathroom. Ganyan. And dito yung sink. May saksakan din dyan. Kung gusto nyo mag-blower, plancha. So, ayan. Okay. Maligo na ako. Okay, we're going na guys. We're going to our next destination. Bye!
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel
you went on that, darling.
that
Madadaan natin yung big banana. Ay, yung mga bata na yun sila ng tubogan. Yeah. Ayan.
I just wanna love you right. Love you till the end
for Holly. Baba. Welcome. Yeah. Malapit na tayo guys. Ayan, sugarcane yan. Sugarcane. Punta tayo ng Yamba. Ayan, malapit na tayo. Daming ano guys, so plantation ng sugarcane dito.
We are going over the bridge today. Or no, we're not.
Or exit.
Oh, I'm going to the bridge.
Gusto sana niya pumunta ng bridge. Kaso,
Bridie hadn't been over it yet, so we'll go over it. There used to be this little bridge here.
ayan po. Haba ng bridge. Saan gusto ni Jan dumaan? Pero dito tayo. Ayan, Yamba. We're going.
Cars.
Ayan na yung bridge. Doon tayo sa ilalim nga lang. Another sugar cane. Oh. Tubo. Sarap siguro kung magpangas. Pangas ba sa Bicol? Magsup-sup kaan. Oh. Seram. Tapos malilinig pang sa imong ngipon. Sugar cane. Tapos dito sa kabila, is it lake ba? River. River. Ayan, ang tawag daw dito ay Clans River. Yamba Aston Motel. Ayan yung river guys. Ang lapit ng tubig dito sa ano kalsada guys. Oh. For sure binabaha dito. Do you think they get flood here, huh? You reckon?
None of that time far across that road.
Kasi tingnan nyo, ang lapit oh. Tubig
Yeah, we're
na.
just talking about that. But when they had the flood,
Another bridge guys. Bridge ulit na may tubig. Bridge ulit na may tubig.
they got a camera out.
We're almost there. Ayan na guys. Welcome to Yamba. Ayan, welcome to Yamba. Dito na tayo. Yamba River.
How come Jerry always has a bald head?
So, ito yung town ng Yamba.
Oh.
Ayan, nakikita na namin yung Coles, kung saan tayo mag-grocery. Ayan, Kmart, K-Hub.
What happened? I think something.
Ayan. Yamba, ayan, Coles. Ayan, ang liit lang.
Wait, I think I know. I think I know what it says.
Yamba Fair. Ayan.
Coffee balloons. Okay, I know.
So, dito tayo magstay.
Just full.
Blue Dolphin.
Where?
Wait, I saw it.
Excited ng mga bata. Diyan tayo, ayan no. Blue Dolphin ang tawag, holiday resort.
As soon as you come in, it's near the road too. Bloody I don't have
Dito na tayo. Okay. Punta tayo ng reception. Kunin natin yung susi. Ayan ang dolphins. Hi. Good, thank you. Ayan guys. 37, yeah.
Okay, so the groundsman, you're here now at reception.
Hold
River's
on.
over here.
Okay.
Groundsman will take you through to side, okay? So he will take you
Okay.
through there. He's going to give you your receipt
Okay, thank you.
and your key, and he'll meet you out
Okay.
there and take you through.
All right. Thank you. All right. Okay. Ka-check-in na tayo, guys. So, iniintay lang namin yung susi at saka yung receipt. And, ayan. I-tour ko muna kayo dito sa labas. Where are we going? This way?
This way.
Yeah.
Just the other side of that building.
Doon daw tayo. Sa other side ng building dyan. Building.
The river's just over there, in front of that building.
Okay. Yung river daw nandyan. Sa harap ng building na yan. Ayan na yung susi natin. Ayan yung susi at saka yung receipt. Okay. Pasok na tayo sa car. We're going in na, guys!
Right.
Okay.
We backed up to a pool.
Yeah, malapit tayo sa pool. Is it heated? I
Yeah,
hope.
not the
I hope.
live one, the other one.
Oh,
Sana naman. Sana naman heated pool to. Sana naman heated pool para makapag-swimming naman.
What you know is it? No, you're joking.
Oh, that's tight.
Oh, is there no barcode on? How? What's that pool? That's the slide on.
Ayan yung pool.
Right.
This one.
This is the slide on. That one just here. Yeah, slide one. Where's the slide one? Over there. Somewhere over there.
Dad, are we staying here for 14 sleep?
Yes, my
Yes, Baba, 14
Yes,
sleeps.
I have
2 weeks tayo dito, guys.
What?
So, si Willow, dyan sila, tayo across. Doon tayo kung saan si Willow nakapasok.
I use buggies
So,
too.
ano tayo, magkatapat. Hindi tayo magkatabi, kundi magkatapat tayo this time.
Are you using that leveler?
I don't think we need to. We should be right.
Ang bilis lang natin, guys, kasi an hour and a half lang yung drive papunta dito sa Yamba. 9:20 pa lang. So, inahabol namin na makapag-set up kami ng maaga kasi mamaya baka umulan. Yun ang sabi sa weather. Uulan, so kaya maaga tayong umalis. Do you like it here?
How do we know? We just got it.
No, the ambience, like the view,
The grandparents.
the ambience, the scenery. You know, no. Ayan na si Jan. Tinuturo na ni Kuya kung
That kid
saan.
looked like Taj. Where?
So what do you think, Zach? Do you like the view here? You like the view? The ambience?
That kid looked like Taj. Where? Over there. He's on the bike.
Good luck, babe.
Do you know my wallet's leather?
Madami tayong katabi. Ayan yung mga kids. Look at the kids. Your new friends.
No, Zach's not making any more friends.
Why? Because
Whatever friend he makes is a bad kid.
is it true, Zach?
Yes, and then he gets so annoying.
Oh, maybe this time is different.
No, it's different.
You never know.
I make
But the other one is different. The 16 years old, the annoying one.
and I
You said
made,
16.
No.
12. Yeah, 12.
and I made a friend that's called
Medyo matagal-tagal na tayo naghihintay, guys. Ayan na si Jan.
That's like this. My mom don't jiggle. No.
What's going on there, babe? It's gonna be hard?
climb up thing.
It's gonna be hard, huh?
No.
No? Okay, let's see. Okay na si Willow. Where he's gonna park, hon?
Sit back so
Sit back so daddy can see. Doon siya mag-park.
Jumping pillow.
Okay. Malapit tayo sa jump. Malalapit tayo, guys. Ayan lang yung...
We're right near everything.
Yes.
Except for the pump track.
Ayan, tingnan yung likod. Ayan yung swimming pool. Malapit tayo sa lahat.
Kuya, we're near mini papa.
Yeah, malapit din tayo sa mini pot-pot. Sorry.
Enough.
Come forward a tiny bit more.
Tingnan tayo ni Kuya.
Yeah, that should be right there. Just hard right hand down. Just a bit more right hand down. Yeah.
The kids dahan.
Then we'll go left walk now. We're live. We might just come forward a bit if we can. Yeah.
Yeah, yung car ni Will, no? So, mag-back. Very panic kasi.
You're alive.
Mom.
Just by trying a bit of right hand down. Just skip over that.
Buti na lang, mayroong gumaguide. Kasi kung kami ni Broid, baka mali-mali yung direction na ibibigay namin sa kanila.
Keep coming on that.
Okay, I think we're good na.
More left hand down. Swing up. Bit more left hand down. Just come forward a tiny bit. Yeah, and then just come back on left block.
Ayan sila, Willow. O, di ba meron silang pa palm tree there? Okay. Check na ni Jan kung straight tayo.
Yeah, pretty square.
Good. Thank you. Tingnan natin yung pag-park. Oo, wala. Ayan. Okay, perfect. So, yan yung ating place for 14 days. And, ayan yung sa likod natin. Swimming pool. Hala! Hala! Did you put it there? The water?
Yep.
Ah, akala ko gumalaw yung tubig dito. So, i-check ko muna kung ano yung mga nagalaw dito. Wala naman. Ayun, yung noodles. Okay lang naman. Check ko yung mga cabinet. Oops. Ayan. Oh, ito lang naman. Yung ref yan na naririnig nyo. Oop, dahan-dahan. Okay, all good. Dito. Oops. Receipt. Dito ko linalagay yung mga receipt. Ayusin ko yan. Hi, Baba! Dito.
Excuse me.
Okay, all intact. How about this one? All good. I think all good naman. Wala namang nagalaw. Okay. Dito. All good. Yung books. Yeah. Okay. Wala naman. Okay, okay. All good, guys. So, i-on na ni Jan yung power dito. Tulungan ko na si Johnny Boy. Ah, hindi. I-vlog pala natin sila. Kasi si Kuya yung mag-a-assist sa daddy niya. Tsaka si Sak. A bit cold. Malamig. Medyo malamig. Okay. Stay with the boys, ha? Malapit talaga tayo sa lahat. Ito yung mini pat-pat and swimming pool. Hoy. Oh, check niya raw. Ang ganda ng ating kung saan tayo naka-park yung caravan. Check the pool if it's heated. May konting meron silang slide. Cold? Cold?
It's a bit.
Malamig, sayang kung heated sana to. Merong heated pool daw dito sa kabila siguro. Mini pat pa. Si Kuya, lapit lang. Ayan lang, paglabas ni Kuya sa caravan, ayan Punta tayo ng toilet. Meron tayong ensuite. Tayo lang ang gagamit nun. Pero medyo, ayun yung ating caravan. Yung ensuite natin nandito. Number 37 tayo. Did you bring the key? Where's the key? Find the 37. 37. Oh, this is 50. No, not that one. Hindi niya rin alam. Hi. 37. Hindi to yung ating ensuite. Kasi 51 to eh.
I am too.
Oh, hi, Filipina! Say hi! Marunong ka mag-Tagalog? Oo, sige, Tagalog tayo. Ayan. Samahan niyo tayo para hanapin yung ensuite natin. Kasi wala doon eh. Is it alright for you dito sa vlog? Okay.
Nakapunta na po tayo.
Hindi pa. Ito yung namin. Kararating lang namin eh.
Okay.
Come on,
I can
kids.
see you from here. I'm walking down.
Hinahanap lang namin. Baka doon nga. Kasi 51 doon eh.
Opo.
Okay. Yun doon. Nagkakalit. Thank you. Bye. Yeah, thank you. Pilipinas. Ayan yung atin, guys. Katapat lang. Andun tayo, oh. Katapat lang. Kila Brody, malapit lang sila. Oh, you have to use the key.
Where's the key?
I told you to get it. It's in the car. Come get it. I thought you're joking that you didn't bring it. Yung caravan nila ganyan. Oh. Okay. Ayan na si Zach. Other. Nai. Okay, let's check. Ah, may towel. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm not gonna look. So, meron silang pag ganito. May toilet paper tayo dyan. Dito natin ilalagay yung shampoo. What you call that? Towels. And, dyan natin ilalagay yung mga, shampoo. Ito yung shower room. Ayan, and toilet nandito sa likod. Lang siya sa ihi. So, yan, guys. Ang bait ni Michelle. Hi, Michelle. Si Michelle yung nag-assist sa atin para hanapin natin yung bathroom. We're here! Go, Baba! Come on!
I have to go by myself.
Yeah! Yeah, this is ours. Yeah. You can just sit there because walang iba tayong ka-share dito. Kaya okay lang siyang umupo kasi nalinis naman yung toilet. Kasi sa iba, sa mga... Siyempre, pag nag-share tayo, hindi ko siya pinapaupo. Nilalagyan ko ng tissue o kaya toilet paper. Tissue, tama. Hindi yung toilet na panglagay talaga sa toilet na yung papel. Ha? Ah, okay. Brand new. Okay, wait lang, guys. So, all good. So, at least this time, hindi na natin lagi bibit-bitin. Okay. Well, watch for the car. Laging bit-bit yung sabon, shampoo, papunta ng bathroom. Ngayon, pwede ko na silang ilagay dito, oh. Tsaka yung toothbrush. So, ilak natin para walang ibang gumamit. So, dito ni susi. Dun sa isa, diba, by code. Ito naman, susi sila. Ganda ng ating pwesto. This is very nice, Ann. Tapos na sila. Hindi pa. Did you put that one, Zach? No. The yellow? No. Kasi nag-toilet siya. Si Kuya siguro. This time, hindi natin ilalagay yung ating mat dito. Kasi may sila. May pa-carpet sila dito. Yeah. Kuya. Si Jan, tinutulungan niya yung kapitbahay natin. They're going home, Han?
No, going up the surface. Right.
Akal. Paalis na pala yung kapitbahay natin.
Thanks. Power.
Same routine. Ikakabit na ni Jan yung mga cords para magkaroon tayo ng kuryente. Si Kuya. Inutusan siya ni Daddy.
Hey, goodbye. What a bride. Here, Zach.
Ayan yung glow.
Blow all that off. You start up one end and you work your way, alright?
Linisin ni Kuya yung carpet. Yung blower niya. Yan yung binili ni Jan sa Bunnings ata yan.
DJ.
That's alright, Han.
They got my scooter. Get it ours too.
No, just wait.
Dad, I got yours last time. It's so hard to get it.
Oh, get over here. Hang on.
Jordan's gone.
Out that way, right down the back. You listen all this around. What is this? What is not?
Here you go, we'll meet you at the pump track. No, you're not allowed to. You've got to wait for me. And me.
Where are you going now? Oh, you watch for the car, huh? Watch for the car. Watch for the car. Where are you going, Zachary? Where is it? Oh, no, Holly. No, no, no. Not you. Later when we have an adult, because it's a bit far, Baba. You can just come here. This one, Baba. No. Is Ivy going? Not yet. She's helping. She's helping Mommy. Her mom. Doon na sila, oh. Si Sak nauna na. Tsaka si Max. Set up na ni Jan yung owning. Update guys. Naubusan ako ng space sa SD card. So nag-transfer muna ako ng mga clips sa computer. And now mayroon tayong 1 hour dito sa SD card na to. Na lagay na ni Jan yung owning. Gusto ko sana wag ilagay yung black, pero ayaw ni Jan kasi for privacy daw. Gusto ko sana yan yung ating view, pero hindi nga pwede kasi nga may mga naglalaro dyan. Kasi ito yung mini pat-pat ba? So, where you going? Are you done? Adjust ni Jan kasi gusto niya very tight etong black na to. So, kailangan ni-adjust yung owning pataas. So, i-adjust niya lahat. Okay. You think, look at that one hand here.
Oh.
It's the, you know the one you put in the middle?
Yeah, that's meant to be like that.
Ah, okay. Yung metal na linagay niya ba? So, adjust niya daw ulit. You're happy now? Is it tight enough? Okay. Dito naman sa kabila. Check ni Kuya. Sabi namin malamig. Hindi siya naniniwala. Check niya daw. In-adjust ni Jan backwards kasi kanina ano siya, yung maluwag. Ayan, ngayon, medyo tight na. Oh. Medyo tight na siya tingnan. Ayan, sisa, kumuha siya ng carrots sa fridge. Gustong-gusto nilang carrots na hilaw na kinakain. Hindi pa yun tapos si Jan dito, guys. Oh. Ayan. What's that, Baba? Snack time for the kids. Si Daddy, ayan, oh. Malapit na, malapit na. Finally, tapos na si Jan dito sa ating pagpapako ng yambayang black. Ngayon, tinatago niya na yung toolbox. Then, ilalagay na yung upuan. Sabi ko, may binili si Jan na isa pang ganito. Isa pang ganito. Para doon. Sabi ko, wag niya nang ilagay kasi maganda yung view namin dyan. Diba? Agree kayo guys. Ito nga, ayaw ko din sana pero okay lang din. Kasi nga, tama siya for privacy. Kasi, ayan. Mini pat-pat to eh. Yeah? What are you having, yeah?
Cheese bread.
Ah, cheese bread. You open that one? Yeah.
The new one.
Yeah.
Because I think I do want you next to me.